Hello everyone, welcome to TechieQA channel. In this video, we are going to see about Snyk tool. Snyk tool is used for actually finding the vulnerability in the code level, source code level. It won't just find the source code vulnerability, as well as it will suggest you to fix what we can do for this fix. Also, it will create a merge request also if you are integrate with a Bitbucket or GitHub, whatever it is. So basically, Snyk is a security analysis tool for the code level, not from the application level, code level. Because whenever we have started developing the application or any product, we always concern on the future first, then we'll concentrate on the performance. When it growing larger, then we'll think about the security. So Snyk is a better option when you are looking to started writing the code itself. So see, the security testing we will do at end and then find the source code vulnerability, the particular line. It takes lot of time, right, in the cycle. So the Snyk actually, when you start writing a code itself, if you integrate it, whenever you do a git push, so new code push to the repository, it will scan and tell you is there any vulnerability, access vulnerability issues there, what you can do to fix this vulnerability. So everything you can see. So OAS top 10 vulnerability, everything it covers, like CRS token, cross-site scripting. So it is if it is a critical, it will highlight as a critical, medium, and low. So the based on the priority wise, it will show you the report. So let's go into the tool. It's actually explorable. It's not that much difficult also. So what I do, I'll log in with GitHub because I'm going to use my personal project which I have in the GitHub. But in your case, if you're in an organization, use your workspace email. For example, your name at the rate, some company name will be there, right? So that you can add an organization and integrate that Bitbucket. Okay, so once you sign up, there won't be anything zero. I have added a few projects, so it's showing one medium issue. Let's go to the project first. So in the fuzzy API, I can see one code analysis, one medium issue is there. This is my old code, something I have written. So debug mode enabled. So here debug mode is enabled. So running the application in debug mode is a security risk if the application is accessible by untrusted parties. Okay, so it will give you a the description also, what is the issue. Okay, also you can ignore, or if you want the full detail, you can do this. And fix analysis, how you want to fix, maybe you have to make it false, that's it. Okay, so they're that, like, they are giving a suggestion for the fix also. So what I'll do, let's integrate a new project. So there is an option, if you already integration is here, you can integrate with Bitbucket, GitHub, GitLab, Bitbucket server, so Docker because it's not only scan the source code in the repository, also it will scan the containers if you are integrate the Docker. Okay, so there are a lot of integration as well as Kubernetes and all there. So what I'll do, I just add a GitHub now. So let me add my project in GitHub. Add project, GitHub. In GitHub, I'll add just one project to see the all type of issues, so that you will get a better idea. What I'll do, I'll add a Krishna framework, which is a UI based automation framework, sample framework. It will add, and it will take some time importing project, and it will scan also, right? And scan, it will show you like how many critical, how many high, how many medium, how many low. Here actually we are using a free version, so there is a limit of I think 200 test in the sense each project there will be 1 2, right? These are 2 tests actually, it will consider like that. So maybe if you are using multiple Docker, POM XML, so everything it will scan actually. So it's already added. So we can see, right, in the POM XML itself there are 5 critical, 72 high, 30 medium. There was one failure happened, maybe some other source file it's not able to scan. If I try to open the POM.xml, we can see all the error. See, Jetty client, the library which I'm using is exploit maturity. Fix this vulnerability, we can fix also, show more detail what is the actual problem. This is asynchronous HTTP model for Jetty. Affected version of this package are vulnerable to authorization bypass. So the library, this is the old version I'm using. This version has a issue of bypassing the authorization. So that we need to upgrade in the sense fixed, in the sense I'm using 3.9. From 3.9 to I have to use 9.3 versions or 9.4. Anything will fix these issues. Okay, so likewise for every critical vulnerability we will have the reasons why it is occurred. Okay, so also once we find all the issues, even if you share with the developer, they will have a better idea as well. If you want to fix, or you can directly assign here if you are able to find, because this is my personal project, so I'm not able to find any user. But when you integrate with your organization Bitbucket GitHub, you can see the user also. You can assign to them. They will try to fix it. You just create internal or back end, front end, whatever it is. So let's see if I try to fix this vulnerability, what will happen. So it will actually create a pull request or merge request with the GitHub or Bitbucket, so that we can review and merge it. See, it will by fixing that one version, it will fix this critical bug. And what else? An upgrade will fix this minor, some low level issue also partially fix. It will fix. So open the PR. I'm just trying to fix one critical, not everything. So it will go to create a PR in the framework, the Krishna framework which I had. So it will have all the detailed PR details, priority, issue, and what is a fix. So there is a check also happen successful. If you want to see the commit, file changed, there is only one file changed, which is pom.xml, and it got upgraded to 3.141. So this version has the fix for the vulnerability. Okay, so like this you can fix all the issue just with one click. So this Jetty, if I once I merged, so this will be fixed. So what I'll try to do, I have to merge with master. Okay, so merge this pull request, confirm merge. So once you confirm, there are around how many critical? 5 critical, right? So this issue has to go off once you scan again. Okay, so it is done. Pull request is merged and closed actually. So again you can scan like this, retry last import. So when you are returning last import, what will happen? It will try to import again with the code, and see, like it will scan and analysis again. So we have already merged the code, right? So it should have reduced the 572 30 10. So the count of project, the count of issues should reduce 572 30 10. From 532 5 critical issue, it reduced to 270. It reduced to 2 higher issues. See, so many just with one upgrade. We have you can see my just go back few minutes and see the how many issue was before and now. It's reduced actually. Likewise we can just one, we didn't do anything, just clicked it, that's it. And a few other issue we have to upgrade, because upgrading for example upgrading the pom.xml library, sometime it will block the code or break the code. Okay, so that time we need to upgrade the code also. Okay, so here also we can just fix this vulnerability common.io. So this is about the Snyk tool. It's very simple, and your code will be like more stable and secured. When you are giving importance to the functionality as well as the performance, maybe after a year, I'm sure, damn sure, you have to go into the security also. Mostly the companies will go to third party, but with Snyk and maybe I'm coming videos, I'm going to put a few videos about cloud security tools also. So with these tools and all, you can cover a lot of cases. then you can go with the third party, maybe hacker or ethical guys or security consultant, something like that. So trying this simple tool will help you a lot. Thank you guys, thanks. Please try with your project, and if you are facing any issue, just add into the comments. If you like my video, please subscribe and share with your friends so that everyone will benefit out of it. Thank you.